Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hopefully this is going to be a quick one, if it works, that is. One of my main gripes with the Clio Mark IV RS is it's got folding wing mirrors, but they're not automatic. There's also another one where the driver's passenger side window isn't one touch, it's either up or down, like you have to hold the switch. So I'll address that one later on, hopefully. But I have bought a module which apparently is near enough plug and play that makes the wing mirrors auto fold when you unlock the car, maybe. I'm not too sure because the instructions are in Turkish, and the Turkish instructions themselves are actually very, very basic. So yeah, but it looks like it's a plug and play module that goes in between two plugs, and it has a single red wire on it, so this is it, that goes to the white connector, white cable. Yeah, let's give it a go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly pop this out. I'll try and video it as best as I can. I'm going to remove this by lifting it out. Should just unclip, and then we'll have a quick look. That was easy. Okay, so it's gone all the way forward. Let's see if we can just ping it out. Might be doing this very wrong. Don't break it, Aid. Don't break it. Okay. Okay, there we are. That's the unit up and out. So we've got if it even wants to come undone, let's poke it with a stick. Okay, so that's that plug out, which is the one for the mirror controls. Let's give it a try. So that one should go in there. Try and neaten this up. This should go in here. Let's put it back in. And this single red wire should go into, I think it's the thick white wire on this switch here. What I'll do is I'll poke it up. Let's see what happens. Where's my key? So I'll turn this to the middle, unlock, nothing, lock. Well, it stayed in. Right, so unlock this pump. Oh, okay, so when the key's in, it wound them out. So let's take the key out. So it's not closed yet. Oh, there we go. Okay, so don't have to put the key in. Hopefully it'll just do it on when everything comes live. So I've opened the door, jumped in, just press the start button. Nothing. Okay, let's do it. Okay, when you start the car. Okay, I can work with that. Okay, so power off, open door. Okay, that really was a very easy installation. Okay, well, there you go. There's the guide. I've learned something, you've learned something. I'll tidy this wiring up. I'll probably strip back the white wire a little bit, put a bit of solder on there to connect the two together, and put a bit of insulation tape around it. But yeah, I'll pop the link in. I'll pop the link in the description of where I bought that from. I think it was about 35 quid, which adds a nice little touch to the car. I think the later phase 2s have it anyway, phase 1s don't. I'm assuming it's the same for all Clio 4s and probably all similar aged Renaults, which have manually folding wing mirrors, but you have to actuate them manually. Yeah, I'll pop a link below. I'm happy with that. I'll tidy this up, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.